Well, this is John. As you can tell, I'm in a little red. I'm on my way over to Colorado. Customer called me up, blew the axle out of his F350 four-wheel drive. No axles available in the area. Talked to him about, you can't leave the truck on the interstate. It's just a pickup truck. So what we're going to do today is, first off, I gotta go put fuel in this vehicle here so I don't run out. But after that, we have to go to Colorado and recover, or I shouldn't say recover, but pull this vehicle roughly a couple feet to get full drive to engage so they can take off and head to the next rest area. As you can tell, we're on the side of the interstate. We got a truck here. Broke the axle tube. Don't know if you guys can see that the best, but it broke the bearing and a lot of other items with it that secure the wheel on. So what we're going to do is we're going to unload the vehicles. Right up there, he just took off with a custom Dodge pickup down the off-ramp. We're going to load the vehicles. Then we're going to pull him far enough forward that he can engage full drive and then back off the off-ramp. And hopefully, everything will be good. Should have brought my vest with me today. Well, let's see if we can move her. We just gotta get her far enough forward that we can lock the hubs in. So, oh joy. Well, here comes the fun part. He doesn't speak English. Due to the fact of lack of maintenance on their end, the vehicle does not go into full drive, which would have made this a lot easier. But it is what it is. We're going to hook up to his rear of his trailer. We're going to just pull him back down that hill and pull him into this rest area. I know I should have brought the bigger truck today. I really should have brought the bigger truck today. But it is what it is. So on that notion, wish us luck. Get the seatbelt on for safety. And we're going to go down the interstate. Well, theoretically, we're not on the interstate. We're on an off-ramp. He blew this thing apart coming up an off-ramp, so we're not on the interstate. So all you guys saying, oh, you're working on the interstate. We are not working on the interstate. We're just working on an off-ramp to the interstate. So joy. Oh, by the way, what I'm using for straps, I'm using the Tow Mater green strap, and I'm using a Bubba Clevis, and this guy can't back up to save his butt. Good Lord, I don't know why he's backing out in traffic. Oh goodness gracious. I don't know what his main plan is here, but goodness gracious. I wish we could have pulled him forward because this guy cannot back up. I don't know why he's... Little turns, buddy, little turns. Little turns, oh goodness. This is going to drive me crazy. Oh, stay back in first gear. Okay. No wonder he blew an axle. Okay. Well, it is what it is. He's pulling all the way out in the highway. We'll get him down to the off-ramp and we're going to turn him around. now. I don't know if you can see me, but I'm doing like 5 miles. Oh my God, he's in the fucking grass. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? What are you doing? Excuse my language, I'm gonna have to beep that out. There is a lot of grasshoppers out right now. A lot of them. I can't even keep the windows clear. Well, I'm going to apologize right now for some of the vulgar language in this video. I was moving a gentleman back off the off-ramp, and when moving a trailer in reverse, it's kind of a common thing. Unless you want to jackknife them, you make little turns. And this gentleman was all over the place. I'm talking like not even, he couldn't even keep it between 2 lanes of highway. So we got him down there far enough where I could just turn him and drag him around to face him forward to get him to his rest area. So, but like I said, I do deeply apologize for my language, and I will try to edit that out as best as I can. But, you know, just my patience with the job. There was a giant language barrier, and the gentleman knew how the truck goes forward, but doesn't have much experience backing it up, and that's where we ran into it. Where we run into a problem with it was the gentleman just didn't have much experience backing up. But we gave him roughly 200 yards of experience backing up, and then I found a better way to drag him and pull him. But I just wanted to say the rope I used was a very, it worked out perfect for the situation. Normally I don't use a kinetic strap or a kinetic rope to drag somebody, but with someone with really no experience and with us pulling him backwards, I didn't want a jarring motion to go on me or him, especially to the fact that his truck, you'll see in the pictures, was not doing the best. Snapped an axle, broke the lockdown nut for the axle, or for the hub, and it was coming out. But we got him off there, got him back to another area. I'm going to do some research for his boss and determine if I can find him an axle, and we can just switch it completely out and go at that route. But on that notion, thank you guys for watching. Someone probably is noting in the comments, and if they do, yes, I should have brought a bigger truck. I was supposed to just bump the truck forward, and it was supposed to engage in 4-wheel drive. It didn't happen. This was a Ford hub failure again. I run into these quite often where the hubs just don't work. It's got the not just manual and off, it's got the auto selection in there between there, and that when it gets complicated and things like that and they don't get maintenance, which, don't get me wrong, that is a great hub for what they're designed for, but on that notion, they have to be maintenanced. Things have to be greased, things have to be used, things have to be cleaned. Lack of maintenance will cause all kinds of problems. I'm a person, I should know this, because I repair things all the time. Not necessarily because someone broke them, but just due to the fact it's a lack of maintenance, and it got neglected. And when things get neglected, they get broken, and then you have to call me and listen to me rant and rave how it got broken and how to prevent it. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please subscribe. I'm trying to get this whole YouTube thing down a little bit more, let's say, a little bit more entertaining. So, once I get that more entertaining, I'll probably get more subscribers. But right now, it's like, honestly, I've watched a couple of my videos, and it's like watching the eye salesman for dry eyes. I'm just really bland and not really a whole lot going on. Going to probably edit that out.